Hey, there's David Chinelli here, realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today I'm in Innisfil in the town called Lefroy. And why am I here? Well, I got this amazing new listing I'm dying to show you. In this area, you feel like you're in a cottage, but you still have all the comforts of the city. You're about 10-15 minutes away from Friday Harbor. You also have the Tanger outlets, which are again about 10-15 minutes away. And right here, yeah, it feels like you're in a cottage because you're only 5 minutes away from beaches and parks. There's also a boat launch, which again is only about 5 minutes away. So you have all of these amenities. Did I also mention that the GO train is going to be here as well? So yeah, you're kind of like in a cottage style of a home, but with all of the comforts of the city, like I mentioned before. So without further ado, I want to introduce you to this amazing raised bungalow. This home is located at 1000 Cameron Street, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with an open concept. Let's go check it out. Welcome to inside 1000 Cameron Street. This raised bungalow has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The main floor features 9-foot ceilings, hardwood throughout, and an open concept. It's an entertainer's dream. And check out this large kitchen. It has updated appliances, including my favorite, a gas stove, and it has this amazing breakfast island as well. Check out the rest of the main floor, but don't forget to make sure you check out also the basement and see the ceiling height. It's very high. And then meet me outside, my favorite spot. I hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful home on the inside. But now we're at my favorite part, the outside. And first off, I want to mention what I'm standing on right now, a low maintenance, huge deck. This deck is a composite deck, which means you never have to stain it or sand it. And if you're anything like me, you don't like doing any of that stuff, so you just want to come out and enjoy your backyard. Well, if you want to enjoy your backyard, check out this backyard. This private yard is a pool-sized backyard. Not like the smaller pool-sized backyards we say we have in Toronto. This is a real good-sized pool backyard. Even have a nice little brand new shed back there. Can you imagine all the entertaining you can do back here? I can imagine just sitting back, have a couple of beers while my friends are jumping in the pool and having a great time. If you can imagine yourself doing the same and you want some more details on this property or you want to see it yourself, you have to call or text me as soon as you possibly can at 416-876-9998 or email me at dchinelli@royallepage.ca.